Divine Souls, Namaste. Please welcome to Spiritual Health and Meditations. Today we shall perform some exercises for strengthening the knees. For those who have knee problems, they can perform these exercises and strengthen their knees. These are very simple exercises, good exercises, easy ones. Please perform these exercises and you will be free from the problems of the knees. We shall perform first the knee rotations. Stand straight on a mat. Now bend down, keep your palms on the knees and rotate the knees, both the knees together in clockwise direction. You have to stand with feet together, knees together. You have to stand with feet together, knees together. Rotate the knees, both the knees together in clockwise direction and in anti-clockwise direction. You have to rotate at least 10 times, please. 10 times in the clockwise direction, 10 times in the anti-clockwise direction. So this finishes the first set of exercises. Now we shall perform stretches of the legs. We have to stretch the ankle, the calf muscles and the hamstring, for which choose a place which has a step. Say 4 inches or 6 inches. 4 inches is the best. So keep your right feet sole on the step and press down such that the heel touches the ground. The heel should touch the ground. The knees should be straight. Knees should be straight. That is important. The knees has to be straight and then bend forward. Take the support. If you want, you can take the support of the wall or anyone. Now stretch as much as possible, keeping the knee straight. Feel the stretch in the ankle, the calf muscles and the hamstring. So that is important. Now the left leg, please. So again the left leg sole on the step and press down the heel such that it touches the ground. Now keep the knee straight, go forward, move forward, keep the knee straight and go forward. That is important. Now both the legs together. Keep both the feet soles on the step and touch the heel on the ground. So this gives a very nice stretch actually. So this finishes exercise 2. Now we shall perform exercise 3, alternate leg stepping up and down on the steps. Now choose a step, say 6 inches in height. Now stand, hold the railings if you want, or you can hold someone also if you want. Lift the right leg up, step, and then lift the left leg up. Then right leg down, left leg down. Right leg up, right leg down. Left leg up, left leg down. Right leg up, right leg down. Left leg up, left leg down. So repeat this for about 10 to 15 times. We shall perform the next exercise. Choose a cot or lie down on a divan, stomach down. Now hold both the hands, keep the chin on the palms. Keep the palms one over the other. Now keep the knees together and heel together. Now lift the heels. Lie down in such a way that the knees are at the edge of the cot, at the edge of the bedding rather. Now lift the legs together up. The heel should come up and go down, come up and go down. Now if you feel difficulty in doing this, move ahead a little. Completely support the knees on the cot and keep the heels together, lift up on an inhalation and put it down on an exhalation slowly. So So do it 10 to 15 times. You have to repeat it 10 to 15 times for better results. Do it twice or thrice a day. It is a wonderful exercise actually. So anyone can do it to strengthen their knees. So lift up the legs together. This finishes another exercise. Now we shall perform another exercise. For this also you have to lie down on the cot, on the back of course. Please lie down on the back. Lie down straight, keep the body straight. Then lift both the legs and cycle alternately in a clockwise manner. Now do alternate cycling in a clockwise manner. Now do at least 10 to 15 times. You can increase it to 20 to 25 times. So then you perform cycling in anti-clockwise direction alternately. So after this also you can do for 20 to 25 times, and after that both the legs together you have to cycle. Now here when you are keeping both the legs together, what you have to do is you have to see that your knees and the ankles, or rather the heels, are together. The knees should be together, the ankles should be together, your heels should be together. Clockwise and anti-clockwise, keep rotating and relax afterwards for some time, and then slowly what you can do is, see, the most important part is you have to do at least 10 to 15 times. Okay, if you cannot, then 15 times, then 20 times, and then 25 times. So this finishes this exercise. Knee dangling. Stand up straight. Feel like you can take the support of the wall. If you can stand without any support, it is the best. Stand straight, lift the right leg up, take the support of the hands, or rather keep the hands underneath the thighs and do knee dangling of the right leg and then the left leg. Move the legs alternately, one by one, back and forth. And after this, lift the right leg, take the support of the hands underneath the thighs and hands only. It is better if you perform 5 to 10 times at least. Now lift the right leg up and do rounds clockwise and anti-clockwise, clockwise and anti-clockwise, and then slowly increase it. Here also if you feel that you need support, you can take the support. After this you have to lift the legs alternately as high as possible. Now inhale and lift the legs. Inhale, lift the leg, exhale it. Inhale and lift the legs. This finishes this exercise. For those who cannot stand and do the knee dangling exercises, can sit on a chair. Now, sitting on a chair, any chair that is comfortable, not on a sofa. Sit on a chair. Here in this case, I am sitting on a chair and my legs are down on the floor. So for that I have to take support of another chair, keep it off this chair so that my legs are not down. Now here, now you see I am fine. My legs are dangling. Lift the right leg up, take the support of the hands by keeping it underneath the thighs and move the right leg back and forth. Do it about 10 to 15 times. It is important to move only the legs, keeping the knees straight. If it pains, do it slowly. Now lift the left leg and do the same thing. The next leg 10 to 15 times. Now lift the right leg up and move the like right and left, keeping the hands underneath the thighs for support. If this is not possible, come slightly forward such that the knee doesn't strike the chair. In other words, the chair doesn't become an obstacle for you to perform the exercise. Do the same thing with the left leg. This also you have to do 10 to 15 times. Here I have shown you only 5 times or maybe a little more. Lifting the right leg and the left leg, you have to perform those exercises keenly and neatly. How much you perform, how much you do, it is benefit for you only. Knee should be stiff and straight. Now we shall do clockwise and anti-clockwise rotations of the feet. By again taking the support of both the hands, keeping them underneath the thighs. Clockwise and anti-clockwise, do it 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise. Now perform the same thing with the left leg. Here also do it clockwise and anti-clockwise. Exercise which is advisable to everyone who has knee problems, and this strengthens the knees, of course. Other exercises is simple. You keep a diary or any book that is at least 1 inch thick. Take the support of the handle of the chair. With both the legs, keep the diary between the knees. And move the rather back and forth. You have to move the legs together with the heels together. Keep the heels together and move it. This also you can do 10 to 15 times. So this is one of the best exercises for strengthening the knees. You have to do it with the utmost faith, and your knees will absolutely be perfect and healthy. Do it with complete faith and trust, and leave the rest to God, and you and your body will be perfect and healthy. Once again, your knees will be able to take the weight of the body. Thank you very much for performing these exercises along with me. Thank you very much for watching the video. Wish you all the best once again, and God bless you all.